Hey everybody, how's it going today? We're out here in the old orchard area where that big tree fell, made some damage. So we're gonna fix that, straighten everything out, but we're also gonna connect it to the chicken coop. So we're gonna make it 10 feet wider. That way we have room for the new fruit trees that we've got and some Chicago figs that we're gonna put in there. So stay tuned. We're gonna work on this and get it all connected. One lucky chicken. We brought her out here. Now that we've got all the fencing reworked down in this new orchard area that got damaged by the trees. Got everything clamped up, supported in. So boy, did we add quite a bit of footage to this little orchard up here. I gotta do a little zip tying. Get that all nice and secured. And then I think I'll grab a few more chickens and let them come out here and tear into this grass. And I need some compost for those new buckets. So last week we turned out this whole fire barrel. I've loaded it with all kinds of leaves, grass clippings, leaf mulch in the fall, and I let it just cook down all winter long. We turned it out and let the chickens go at it, and they just really make such a nice job at turning this into some good compost for me to grow my vegetables in. So we're gonna do a couple piles here to see if we can outrun the chickens if they wanna just get up in here and make a mess. Are we all done? Come on. No! Come here, baby. Come here. All right. Oh, nope. How come you don't ever give me a problem? Down. There you go. There we go. Two at once. Okay. We got them. I think they were done. They just like to get out and play for a little bit. Yeah, are you all done? Boop. Yo, you dirty. Let's go get the other one. Come on, check. All right. again, go. No, 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 no. Hey, I got you. I got you. Hey. Miss Checkers. It's Miss Checkers. Say hi. Yeah? Did you get all some fresh grass? Okay. Oh, go on.